Next come to the elimination method. Elimination method. Okay. Now, what is elimination method? I am not just showing the general by taking the general variable because it not needed. I am just showing one example so that you can understand, and this is the most efficient and most applied method of solving pair of linear equation to variable. What is elimination method? Suppose we are taking one linear equation. Suppose we are taking one linear equation into variable to one pair of linear equation into variable 3y equal to minus 2 and 5x minus 2y equal to 2. Okay. Now, this is my equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. As you can see, what is elimination method? By elimination method, we just make equal the coefficient of any one variable and we can eliminate that. We can our first motto will be, or first target will be to eliminate one unknown variable, either x or y. Now, from here, if we have to eliminate x, then we have to make equal the coefficient of x, and if we have to eliminate y, then we have to make equal the coefficient of y also. Now, I will show you both case to make the coefficient of x equal and to make the coefficient of y equal. Okay, so that you will understand betterly. Now, to make the coefficient of x equal, for that we have to multiply this by 5 and this by 6. We are getting the new pair of linear equation of two variable is 30x 15y 10, 30x 12y 12, sorry 12 minus 12y is equal to 12. Now, minus, this is plus, this is minus, that is which sign is present here? Plus sign is present here, we are taking minus over here, so that it will be eliminated. It is minus present here, we are taking plus, that just opposite to that. So, from here we are getting this equal to minus 3y, that equal to minus 22, that equal to minus 22. That means y is equal to minus 22 by minus 3, that is minus 22 by 3. So, this is the value of y. Again, by substituting the value of y of any of the equation, we will get the value of x, that is substituting the value, putting this value of, we have to write put this value of y in equation number 2. We are getting 5x minus 2 into 22 by 3, that is equal to 2. That means 5x minus 44 by 3 equal to 2. That means 5x is equal to 2 plus 44 by 3. That means 50 by 3. That means x is equal to 50 by 3 into 5, 10 by 3. So, the solution should be x equal to 10 by 3, y equal to 22 by 3. Okay. Now, this we have make the coefficient equal of x. Next, we have to make the coefficient of y equal. Both method are elimination method. Let's see. To make the coefficient of y equal, we have to multiply the equation number 1 by 2 and this by 3. by 2 and this by 3. So we are getting 12x minus 6y is equal to minus 4. 15x minus 6y is equal to 6. Minus, this will be plus because we have to eliminate that, and this will be also minus. Now this is minus 3x equal to minus 10 we are getting. So that means x is equal to 10 by 3. Okay. Now put this value of x in equation number 2. We are getting 5 into 10 by 3 minus 2y is equal to 2. That's equal to minus 2y is equal to 2 minus 50 by 3. That is minus 2y is equal to minus 44 by 3. Cancelize, y is equal to 22 by 3. So that will be my required solution. Okay, by making the coefficient of y equal. Understood? So this is the method of elimination. If we have to show this elimination method by taking the general form of the linear pair of equation of two variable, that will be that will not needed. That will be some difficult type. So not needed. So that's why I am not just showing you. I am just showing you it for cross multiplication and substitution method. So that's it for linear equation of two variable. Hope you will able to understand it. Next, one thing we have also, that is equation reducible to pair of linear equation of two variable. Equation reducible to. Okay. Now suppose we have given one linear equation two variable in the form of 2 by x plus 3 by y is equal to 13 and 5 by x, this 5 by x plus minus 4 by y is equal to minus 2. Okay. Now here we have to put 1 by x equal to a and 1 by y is equal to b. So the equation becomes 2a plus 3b is equal to 13 and 5a minus 4b is equal to minus 2. That is the process. Equation, the pair of equation reducible to pair of linear equation in two variable. Okay. Now we have to solve it. Now we have to apply the easy method, that is the elimination method. Now elimination method, this is equation number 1, equation number 2. First multiply, we have to eliminate b here. First multiply this by 4 and this by 3. We are getting 8a 12b 52 and this is 15a 12b so here we are getting 23a is equal to 46. So A is equal to 2. Putting the value of A in equation, any of the equation number 1, 2 into 2 plus 3B is equal to 13. That means 3B is equal to 13 minus